Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be doing a bass guitar tutorial for Blessed Assurance by Elevation Worship in the key of E flat, and it's in 6/8 time. So we're going to start on Interlude One. It comes in right after verse 1, and we start right here on the E flat, and you're going to be playing that for 2 measures. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to go right into verse 2. And you just stay on the E flat. You play it again for 1 measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then A flat, E flat, and then you go to the C. Then the A flat, then the B flat. Then you hold that for 2 measures, and then you'll go to E flat again for 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B, A flat again. 1, 2, 3, and then E flat again. And then you hold that for 2, and then you go down to the F for 1, 2, 3, 4, then B flat, and then up to the E flat for 2. And then that takes you into the Interlude 2, which you're just playing E flat again, but you're playing it for 8 measures, so you'll play it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the interlude. And then it goes to chorus 1, which is basically the same as verse 2. You just start on the E flat, playing it for 1 measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then A flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then C minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A flat, 4, 5, 6. E flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then back down to that F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down to the B flat, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the different part. You go down to the A flat, and you just hold that for 1. And then you kind of fade out there. And this is when it's going into the Interlude 2 and the bridge, which in the song, it doesn't play until about halfway through. So I would say if you're playing it, just wait till about halfway through. Then you're going to start on the A flat. You play it for 2 measures. The Oh, what a Savior. And then you go down to G for 2 measures. Wonderful Jesus. Hold that for 2 measures. And then go down to A flat. Oh, what a Savior. Wonderful Jesus. So you'll just keep playing that back and forth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's bridge 1. And then bridge 2, you're going to start on the A flat again. It's the death could not hold you. Then you're going to go up to the C for 2. And then back down to the A flat for 2. And then the E flat. And then you're just going to repeat that again. So A flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then E flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's all for bridge 2. And then it's going to go right into bridge 3, which is the same lyrics as bridge 1. Oh, what a Savior, wonderful Jesus. And you're just playing that A flat again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then again the A flat, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then a G, 6, 1, 2, 3. And if you want, you can mix it up. And going from the A flat, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to the E flat. and then back to A flat. So you can change that G out for an E flat, just kind of to change it up for a little bit. And then at the end of there, you go from A flat to C for 2, and then back to A flat for 2. And then you kind of just alternate between the A flat and the G, or the A flat and the E flat, whatever you want to do for the outro of that song. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe below and visit us at our website at pursuegodnetwork.org/worship.